in the hidden language of the earth. Every living thing carries a frequency. The ocean moves in slow breathing waves. Forests hum with ancient memory. And the wind sings through mountains like a forgotten prayer. Nature does not speak in words. It speaks in vibration. When we step away from noise and return to the rhythm of the natural world, something inside us begins to remember. The heartbeat slows, the mind softens, the soul opens. We realize that healing was never separate from us. It has always existed in the frequencies of rain, bird song, sunlight, and silence. Nature frequencies are more than sounds. They are energetic reminders that life is designed in harmony. Trees communicate beneath the soil. Rivers carve paths without resistance. The moon pulls entire oceans with invisible force. Everything is connected through movement, resonance, and unseen energy. In moments of stillness, the earth recalibrates us. Bare feet on the ground discharge heavy emotions. The sound of water cleanses mental chaos. The vibration of wind through leaves awakens inner peace hidden beneath human distraction. To listen deeply to nature is to remember who we are before fear, before pressure, before the artificial rhythms of modern life. We are not disconnected beings searching for balance. We are part of a living symphony, already vibrating in perfect order. The universe moves in frequencies, and nature is its purest instrument. Every sunrise carries renewal. Every storm carries transformation. Every season teaches surrender. When we align ourselves with these sacred rhythms, we stop forcing life and begin flowing with it. Close your eyes. Listen carefully. The earth is not silent. It is constantly guiding, healing, and speaking to the soul through frequencies older than time itself.